Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you an absolutely mint condition 2014 Kubota BX1870 with an LA 203 quick attach front loader, RCK 54P23BX belly mower deck. This deck also has a mulching kit that will go with it. Incredibly clean tractor, like literally a light tractor. 171 hours, one-owner tractor, turf tire package, fully roll bar, very clean, nice, and ready to go to work. We're starting here under the hood. Powered by a Kubota B1870 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow, anything of that nature. We have fully serviced this tractor, all new filters and oils. It is 110% ready to go to work. Hood is beautiful and straight, clean as a pin. Loader, factory paint's on the cutting edge, just absolutely beautiful tractor. Again, mower deck is in beautiful condition, 54-inch deck. SMD sign is on it, holding ROPS. 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, factory cover is there. You can see that, I don't know if you ever had much ever hooked to the 3-point, very nice shape. The seat is in very good condition, OEM Kubota seat. You can see here in the dash, 171 hours, all the gauges work. You're gonna have your PTO here, mid and rear, or just mid, PTO engagement, deck height, high-low range, four-wheel drive. You're gonna have your shuttle forward and back, parking brake, joystick loader control, and throttle. These are a very nice tractor, very user-friendly. The Kubota BX lineup is a extremely nice tractor for anyone is looking for something on their property. So we're gonna fire this tractor up, run it around, shoot it. Any questions, little tractors like this, we sell a pile of them every year. I love nice clean stuff. It's hard to come by. This is an extremely clean tractor. The guy really took care of it. We find that in the tractor world. For the most part, you know, guys buy these are truthfully an investment, and they take care of their investment. You do see some guys that buy them that actually destroy them, and those tractors I wholesale off. I have some guys that like rough tractors. It's just not my thing. We like stuff like this where we can service it, give it a wash, a wax, and it's something that's very marketable and desirable to somebody who wants a nice piece but doesn't want to spend $17,000 for an 1880 with a loader and belly mower. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please check us out. If you have any questions, we're glad to help you. 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.